up everyone? Today we have come to Jaiselmer. We got here yesterday from the Kori village where we were staying at in the desert to do the camel riding. I wanted to open up the video here in our hotel room because yeah, this is probably the coolest hotel room that we've stayed in so far. I think it's called Siddhartha Hotel and it was around $19 on Airbnb. So yeah, let me just show you quickly. So right now we're actually within a fort. So I don't think we've ever stayed within a fort like this before. So you can see the cool sandstone bricks here. Just loads of like detailed patterns and art everywhere on the floor as well. Check that out. That's a cool rug. Even the tiled floor looks awesome. And then just all around, it just looks really nice. Got some cool pottery going on here. Cow's looking very cool as well. Oh. Not sure who this guy is, but even he looks cool. Check that out. Looks like some sort of prince or maharaja, whatever you call it. And here we got the bathroom. You got steps going into the bathroom. Nothing too special in the bathroom really, but check that out. It's where we were at yesterday with the camels. Alright, so we come to the rooftop now where we're gonna have breakfast. I'll just show you quickly the views from here. It's got these two little cool chairs here. Way too hot at the moment to sit on here. So this is part of Jaiselmer that's outside of the fort wall. So if you look around here, you can see the fort wall there, which is where we're within. So we're right on the edge of the fort wall right now. And just out there, just all empty desert. All the way around. Alright, now I'm just going to show you quickly the other side. The view from this side that shows the inside of the fort. So also got some really cool chill spots here if it was cooler. And then you can see there's loads of other rooftop cafes, hotels. You can already see the amazing designs on the buildings here. And then over there you got Jain Temple that we're going to check out soon. Check out this building as well, looks amazing. So this fort is, I think, the oldest thing that we've visited so far. It was built sometime in the 1100s, so yeah, really old and historic. I think the guy told me yesterday there's 4,000 people living within this fort, and it's one of the only few livable forts in the world. And I think sometime in the 17th century people started making houses on the outside of the fort because there wasn't enough space here. So yeah, I think it's probably going to be pretty packed. So first we've come into that Jain Temple that you saw earlier. The ticket was 200 per person, and yeah, I can already tell it looks really awesome. All the designs and stuff. Check this out. So you can tell it's made out of stone. Look at that carving. So basically the whole place is covered in these stone carvings everywhere. Look at that. I think in here we got the Buddha. So we've come up to the second floor now. There's two floors, tiny floors. So here you can actually see the roof even clearer. So you get a much better view of the ceiling from here. Look, see all the, I guess, goddesses, I'm not even sure. Really impressive though. This part almost looks like something out of Egypt.
Yeah, you're right.
This area is more colourful and stuff. Got the incense here. Yeah, very different to the other parts that we went to. So this place is just basically a bunch of tiny little alleyways. It's actually free to enter the fort since it's a neighborhood, so you don't have to pay to come here. We're staying inside here, so yeah, obviously for us it's not a problem, but if you're staying on the outside of the fort, yeah, no fee needed. And now we've just come down to the wall, I guess. You can see the wall here. Nowhere to go?
No.
No?
It's blocked.
Oh, it's blocked. Oh yeah, check that out. Not sure what happened here. We'll try and go the other way. And here they call it the Golden City because obviously you have the yellow golden looking sandstone. So we've been to the Pink City, Jaipur, Blue City, Jodhpur, and now the golden one. I don't know if they have any others though. Got a view of the city here. So pretty much everything's golden looking, as you can see. Everything blends in with the desert, right?
Yeah,
the same
color.
Yeah, exactly, same color. So we come to some sort of square now. Just look how awesome this place looks. Got an incredible looking building right here. Almost like the temple, everything's just so detailed here. The sandstone. Some dogs chilling. So a lot of these buildings, they almost look like palaces. The alleyways also have these stores everywhere, like markets selling, yeah, all sorts, clothes. I saw some bookstores back there as well. And a lot of magnets as well. Hello. Namaste. No, thank you.
200, 300.
It's okay, thanks. So we come to a spot now called City Viewpoint. Got a cannon here, and yeah, check that. Amazing views of the city. So this part is a lot busier than the side that we're staying. Probably the main city. Just thousands of houses. The desert's too hot. Within like 10 minutes you're dead, right?
I want to go back to the AC.
Yeah. Much needed water once again. Desert safari. So we've come outside of the fort now. Very chaotic here, even crazier than inside. There was some sort of fight going on over there. Not sure what the problem was. So you can see the outside of the fort here. No, no thank you. No, we're good. Alright, we just got in a rickshaw. We head into a place called Gadisar Lake, a popular spot, and it's going to cost us around 40 rupees to get there. It's not that far though. That's faster now. Alright, we've arrived at the lake, Gadisar Lake. A lot more relaxed here. The area in the fort, within the fort and outside was probably a bit too hectic for us. Yeah, just many people bothering you a lot of the time. Quite a lot of beggars as well, unfortunately. So that was kind of sad to see. Yeah, it doesn't seem as relaxed as Jodhpur or Jaipur where we went before, but still lots of beautiful stuff to see. The lake here is very tranquil. Loads of people doing the boat rides, not sure how much that is. And here you can see there's loads of cool monuments. I think one of these buildings is actually a temple as well. But right now, nobody here at all really. We're the only people sat here. So it is just too hot right now though. Obviously we came from the sandy desert in the Kuri village in the last video, but we're still in the desert. Jaisalmer is in the heart of the Thar desert, so that's why it's so boiling hot. It's pretty tough. You're having a hard time too, right?
Yeah, it's too hot.
Yeah, way too hot. So I think we're just gonna be chilling here for a while until it gets a bit cooler. Hello. Hi. Hi. Yeah, very good. How much for the boat? 100 rupees?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
I'm from India only.
India?
Yeah, Jharkhand, from Jharkhand state.
Ah, okay. I make YouTube videos.
Okay, okay.
Travel.
Where are you
Hello.
from?
England.
England, okay.
She's from Brazil.
Brazil, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah, good. Here's more relaxed. Very busy.
Yeah.
The city.
Yeah,
Too busy.
Yeah.
Here more relaxing.
Okay.
Very calm.
You came to Jaisalmer for visit?
Yeah, we did the camel safari.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Oh, you want photo?
Yeah. Tell me your channel, please. Come.
Jumping places.
Jumping places. Okay, okay. Okay.
You search.
Yeah.
More selfies?
Yeah.
So we come to our last stop of the day, which is this haveli here. It's called Patwan Haveli. I think it's a series of palaces from the 1800s. So just like many of the other buildings in India, just looks absolutely incredible. And this is gonna cost 250 to enter. So we've entered the haveli now. Literally hundreds of rooms it seems. It's multiple buildings, so you cross over the road but through the building. It's an amazing looking room here. Got the traditional Indian clothes. Here you can see the kind of furniture that they would have had hundreds of years ago. It says here, for rich and affluent families, dressing is an art and a time-consuming and leisurely activity. I guess that's why they make everything look pretty. Alright, let's explore more. Here you have the kitchen, so here you can see the plate, the cups, I guess the different pots and pans everywhere. Got the cool arches as usual. So in this room we seem to have the traditional musical instruments. Check that out. So they play it like a violin, it seems. Got another one here. You got a bongo drum looking thing. Dolak. And here we have the flute. No idea what this one is. That's the music, right? Just look at this room for a sitting room. The best chill out spot ever. The designs look insane. And those look pretty comfy. I wouldn't mind lying down on one of those right now. Got the chessboard there as well, so they played chess back then. Seems to be some more games here, I'm not sure what that is. Wow, look at the ceiling as well. Not bad. I'm gonna say it in every video, but India just has too many beautiful things, right? Yeah, buildings, crazy. You can even come up on the rooftop here, so you get some rooftop views. So we entered down here somewhere on this alley. So it's just all this building that we've explored right now. And then in the back there, we're against the sun, but yeah, you got a pretty good view of the fort. Let's check out some of the other buildings that are around here. That's like a cool restaurant over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cafe.
Probably expensive, but...
Yeah, probably. Look at the one up there as well. In the sun, no chance. Nice shot there, photo shot. So my first time ever seeing a place like this, like yellow golden, really cool. So I'm gonna close the vlog out now because me and Carol are gonna be getting on a bus at 5 PM to a place called Pushkar, a place that many of you guys have told me to visit. So we're gonna check that place out. It's been a pretty cool day checking out this place. Never seen a golden city or anywhere with an appearance like this before, so yeah, really awesome. Like I keep saying, Rajasthan's just been an amazing state and easily one of the best places I've ever visited in the world. So just thanks for watching, drop a like on the video to help us out, and we'll see you in the next one.